In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Shopify product images not displaying. If your product images aren't showing up in Shopify, it can be frustrating for you and your customers. Images play a huge role in conversions, so fixing this issue quickly is critical. In this full 2025 guide, I'll walk you through all the main reasons why product images might not display and exactly how to fix them. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard and go to Products. Select the product with the missing images and check the media section. If the images aren't uploaded, simply click Add Media to re-upload them. If the images are uploaded but still not showing, make sure the product is set to active and assigned to the online store sales channel. Inactive products or hidden sales channels can cause images not to display. Step 2. Clear browser cache or try another browser. Sometimes, the issue isn't Shopify, it's your browser. Cached versions of your site might prevent images from loading. Clear your cache or check your store in an incognito window. If the images display there, the issue is local, not Shopify. Step 3. Check image format and size. Shopify supports formats like JPEG, PNG, WEBP, HEIC, and GIF. If your image is in an unsupported format like TIFF or BMP, it won't load. Also, extremely large files, over 20 megabytes, can cause display issues. Resave your images in a supported format and optimize them before uploading. Step 4. Verify theme settings as well. Go to Online Store in here and then to Themes. Now click on Customize, navigate to the product page template and check the image display settings. Some themes allow you to hide the gallery or thumbnails, so make sure these aren't disabled. Step 7. Re-upload or use another device. As a last step, re-upload the image files directly to the product. If the problem persists, check your store on another device or network. If images still won't display, it may be a server-side issue with Shopify, in which case you should contact Shopify support. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.